Cracking hit. It was 6 the moment it left the bat. Sachin is not going to hang around. If you present him the opportunity, he'll take you on. And Dipesh is having a forgettable over.
With their performances, a couple of titles, they've made it to the playoffs often. Last year they didn't, which is why this season's crucial. What a hit! Dances down the ground, sends it over long gone for a maximum. The 50 is up with that one. 5 overs.
Spin well. Oh, with the pace, with the angle, another terrific 6. Sachin picking up where he left off last innings. And they were dug out from there by the two bowlers. Oh yes, very well done. Just underneath the commentary box. A little more and our glass would have shattered. Played that so well did Loki. Got inside the line, so confident as well. Last ball going for a 6, ruining that.
Very talented young man. Like you said, the strike rate needs to get better. It will get better if he plays like this. But right in the slot by Shoaib. And getting under the ball nicely.
Jumps down the track, trying to get to the pitch of the ball, but... And bang! Big slog sweep over wide long on. That's one of the bigger 6s we've seen. And Sachin showing his immense ability once again.
He was slightly short the previous...
RS Amrish as well. And have a look at this young man as well, giving us an example of his power. That is what Andre is known for.
Amazing hit.
Getting underneath, it's gone all the way. Andre has capitalized on the free hit and he will do many a times when he's in that kind of form.
The focus was timing and not power from Andre Siddharth. That makes a huge difference.
One's coming on the onside. It's a really good wagon wheel as well. It's again in the air and that's over. The skirting, that's gone the distance. Another 6 here for Sachin. Really making a move here.
The onside, is that long enough? Yes, it is, just over the boundary line. Sachin realizing that he's on to a really good thing here. Might even be looking for 100, but playing for his team. Goes through the line once again. It's a terrific 6. The kids love it. Well, I'll take that all back. Unfortunately, he's a little cold right now. That should be a no ball as well, above the waist. It goes for 6 anyway. And if they're not going to give it a no ball, then I'm sure the batting side would like to check that. We'll see. That's a genuine slog sweep over the crowd, into the forest. And we end the over with 21 runs that continue to accelerate wildly. Go by now, 2-2-4 for 2. Jumps out, goes for it, and it's a maximum. What a way to start. Santosh has special ability. Abhishek is warned not to bowl full again. Crate needs to improve. Oh, ball's short. And Atish had every opportunity of swinging that for another 6. Missed out. I think he responded a little late.
Lofted handsomely by Atish, who's putting on an exhibition. Another 6. The 50 is up for the Nellai Royal Kings as it's time to welcome Prasad Kshirsagar into the commentary.
Thank you, Nishad.
Certainly been eye-catching. This time he pulls it. Clear the fence yet again. This young man is certainly inspiring his team to a good start. Has welcomed the bowler with 2 consecutive 6s.
Reverse for 6. How brilliant is that? Incredible. Wow.
Ritik Ishwaran.
Not the distance though. Yes, he does. It's a maximum to end the over 13 off it. 149 for 5. This time it's Enes Harish. The fielder's underneath it. This time it's Enes Harish. The fielder's underneath it. He cannot cling onto the ball in time. Enes Harish joining his captain in the act.
The 150 is up with that hit.
6.
Adnan makes room, has lofted that over cover, gone all the way. What a start to the over.
That was a resounding thump. Abhishek Tanwan.
Opens his account by clearing the ground over long gone. Jagadisan now only 2 runs away.
Took the words out of my mouth. 2 runs away now. 2 runs away now from being the lead scorer. But what a terrific shot.
This time the other way, over long off, another 6. And he's become the leading run scorer in the history of the Shriram Capital TNPL.
Waiting for you to announce that. Well,
They put it in lane. Massive struck there by Dinesh. He just walked in. Going over the top this time. That's a really good strike. That's a massive strike. 4 wickets falling.
Gets enough on it and sends it sailing. Mohan Prasad off the mark and with a statement more than a shot. Even Sonu.
Is that coming towards us in the commentary box? In fact, it's gone over the commentary box. Made a loud thud as it landed on the roof.
but I had my palms out waiting for that catch.
This is a bit of touch. Walks down the ground, swivels the pull all the way for 6.
Nothing changes for Rohit. Once again, slightly short.
Side these days. He pulled away across the line all the way for a 6. Ashwant Waltappa may not have created the mystery, but he's certainly creating some misery for the bowlers. Last ball of the 15. He slashed outside the off.
He does get bashed across the line. That's an exceptional shot, but also very dangerous. Completely cross-batted, played on the length, and went through with it.
The first over, a good counter attack by Chaturved. End of the first, 19 for 1.
Opportunity, grabbed at the ball.
50 for NS Chaturved in a tall run chase. He has delivered in the power play of only 19 balls. Madurai Panthers are 64 for 1 after 5.
Big hit yet again. So good with this length. Doesn't really need to move forward or back because he's in a brilliantly balanced position. Races to 66.
Nicely.
The pitches where all the action happens, Suhas. That's the first step, to go see how it's going to play, how it's looking. Also see, yep, confirmation. It is a maximum, so 6 runs added to Madurai's total. Player, look up at the sun.
He's made the world look up right now because that's how high he's hit it and far as well. Mahadevan has joined the party. At the halfway stage, the Panthers pounds to 125.
What 100 coming, and they are pretty elated as well.
And waxed it again. Will that go over? Yes, handsomely so. Well, if he was shackled earlier, he's opening those now.
Down the crease.
How historic is this day going to prove itself to be? 239, the highest ever score in the TNPL, and now 240 the target.
Didn't commit to the shot, and he has a lot of experience, and it is counting for his team now. So a good blow will take the pressure off Madurai a little bit.
Remember, there was a time when he used to open the batting. The line, it's a boundary to begin. In fact, it's gone all the way for a 6. The ideal start for the Madurai Panthers. Only 10 needed of 5 now.
Yeah, superb shot under pressure.
Oh, top edge. That's a little cruel. Plenty of pace on that delivery. About 130 or so. The ball flying for the first 6 of this second match. I'm sure plenty more to come.
Flick. It's all timing. Another player, R. Kavan, who's been a part of the TNPL since the beginning, has been across a few teams and today delivering the other day when he got out, Prasad, it was a tame dismissal. And
Yeah, minimum fuss, plonked his right foot forward and well over the boundary line. A handsome maximum for Nidish is 1 or 2 for 1.
and then may just have misjudged the trajectory of the ball. Normally, one of the safest fielders that you'll find in the state of Tamil Nadu. But unfortunately, a slight misjudgment. Last ball of... Strays onto the pads. That's been slog swept over the boundary all the way for 6. It's a good end to the first over, 13 of that one. He is up for the Trichy Grand Cholas, courtesy that big hit by Rajkumar. 5 overs gone, 51 for 1.
On the ground. Rajkumar rampage will start now. He's made it absolutely clear with a smooth hit.
When everything on the line, you
And another strike that was Gillette smooth. This partnership is keeping them well ahead in this game, well ahead in this run chase.
short delivery to end the over. 9 done.
A step short, or that should have been taken. Of course, he did have to run around a bit, but it was a late decision to run, and which is why he was a little late on the ball. It will be 6, but about that powering on, when do they go hard is the key. And usually,
from the Trichy Grand Cholas. Although the spinners made the most of it. This is well struck. This will be 6 more. Now just a boundary hit away. What a way to get off the mark for our Rajkumar.
Well, I tell you what, he's got some power behind him. What a shot that one. That's gone some distance. Just see that.
Match on Monday pits them against the Madurai Panthers. But for the moment, this will be game, set and match for Trichy Grand Cholas. Russell Rajkumar smacks this one away for another 6. And they get the job done inside 17 overs, which will do their net run rate of